Hutch, come here. Are you broken? Good morning. I've been watching a little bit of Eliminate lately. I think Randy's kind of a funny guy. I was watching recently though, and he was talking about his sticker bombed fridge, and people are freaking out about this guy's sticker bombed fridge. Randy, I just want you to know, you're not the OG here, okay? Boy, Hella Fridge has been around since I was in high school 6 years ago. So if you've had that fridge for 6 years, then I'll believe you that you're the OG, but you're not the OG, dog. I don't think so. Holy crap, dude. This garage is just ridiculous. Let me know what you guys think of this color. I'm having some second thoughts, obviously, because it's such a bright color. This is like an OG Evo 7 color. I actually believe the Evo 7s came in this color, but I'm just not sure if, I don't know if it might be too wild even for me. Something we gotta address today is these wheels, dude. These are bunk. Gold wheels, yellow body, nah, I don't care what any of you guys say, that's not okay. I've got a meet tonight to go to. I'm gonna go to it's called the Beaver Meet that's here in Dallas, and evidently it's humongous. I haven't been to it yet, but I'm gonna take this guy tonight, and I just don't wanna do it with these bunky wheels. I just don't like the way these look on this. So what we gotta do is put the NTO3s on, spacers or not, and we're gonna make this baby look good. I'm pretty sure I just scratched the paint. Nope, we're good. I am an ape. I don't know how to open boxes. Sick, dude. The sponsor for today's video is Dollar Shave Club. This is called the and shave combination. In high school especially, or in college, I completely stopped going to the store to buy razors just because it's annoying, like they're expensive. I actually, believe it or not, because I hated shopping for razors so much in college, I actually would use the thing I cut my hair with to trim my face. It was the ghettoest thing I've ever done. This is sick. Their razor's heavy. Comes with 4 razors, so you buy one of these a month. You get to shave your face for a whole month, and you get to not mince your face, you get to mince your meat. Well, like the meat comes with 4 razors, which is great because you don't gotta go to the store. Get some body cleanser here. You gotta make yourself smell nice for the homies. I mean the ladies. Shave butter, and then my personal favorite, One Wipe Charlie's. Boy, if I'm at the racetrack and I gotta release a massive dump and there's nowhere around me I can go do it, I can depend on these babies to fully cleanse. This is a sick box. If you wanna check out Dollar Shave, I've got a link for you in the description of this video. Click on that link. They're really funny, they got great memes, and they sell really good stuff. And thank you again for sponsoring this video. If it wasn't for this last minute of me talking, I don't know if I'd be able to do turbo builds. So say thank you to Dollar Shave Club and make sure you check them out. Oh, what are we doing today? I need some caffeine, dog. Thank you so much, Jost, for sending me these again. I'm so excited to have these. These actually taste pretty similar to Monster. That's exciting. All right, let's get to work on this baby. She needs a lot of love. She needs a lot of love. In order to pull this yellow off, we're gonna need a lot of love on this car. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yeah. If and when you guys ever get a caged car, you'll understand. Oh my God. Ooh. No steering wheel, gang. Oh, these brakes work so nice. Oh yeah, baby. It's super brakes on the front, and I also bled the brakes whenever we redid it, and it's just, everything is just, it's so good. This car is so good. Off with the old. Bro, these Brembos, they did such a good job. I love this color. Oh, that is much better. The only bummer about these wheels right now is you can kind of see they very, very lightly rub the coilover because they're a higher offset, because they're 10.5 inches wide with a 275 on them. So I'm gonna be very, very careful with these wheels. I'm only gonna run these tonight. I'm gonna take them back off. I just need to look hot boy for the meet. Y'all already know what it's like. When you gotta impress the homies, you'll do anything. I've seen cars out there with much worse. So a little bit of rubbing, not gonna hurt nobody. Wow, 11 times better. The only thing I need is like a 3 to a 5mm spacer on this front. And that's all I need. I'm not gonna do the 15mm spacer because it's just too much. So I'll save that for either another car. I'm sure I'll need them someday. But for now, no spacer. It's gonna look sick going to the meet tonight.
So you can either beneath the skin on my second, or
Don't mess up. It's hard, isn't it?
It is, especially.
All right, 30 tries later, she got it, baby. Let's go. Now we gotta go sit in line at the DMV. We've been running the Jeep's plate on this for forever, and we finally, since we have it inspected, we finally got the title back from their lien holder. We're gonna get actual license plates for it. And a goal of mine this month actually is to get this thing street legal so I can drive this on the road as well. And when we get back, I've got a big surprise. Hopefully, well, it should be here by the time we get back. UPS, don't do me dirty, or FedEx, whoever's dropping it off, don't do me dirty. Hey, we did it, baby. Let's go, we're official. And we were literally walking back, and Victoria just dips to one direction. She's like, oh, home decor. So she's in one of these stores. I don't know where she is. She's literally shopping right now. Where in the world did you go? Oh,
Hi.
What are you doing in here?
Seeing if there's anything we need.
Okay, need.
What?
Get out of here. We got stuff to do. Now I'm gonna stop by the parts store real quick, and I'm gonna see if I can get some inexpensive spacers at just the regular parts store, just to see how they work. And if they don't work, I can just return them. I don't really think I want my tires rubbing on my suspension. Ooh, I need more of this in my life. 5 log wheel spacers. They are 5x114 compatible. Give them a shot. That's probably what? What'd you say? It's like what? 5, 10 millimeters? Gotta do it, gotta do it, gotta do it, gotta do it. Oh! Got a notification on my phone saying that the big boy has been delivered. So we're gonna go home and unbox the best thing that has happened to this Evo. Let's go see, boys. Oh! Oh, baby! That is a box. Okay, I gotta admit, I did start unboxing it before filming, because I am genuinely ridiculously excited about this. I'm pretty severely bummed. I do not know what happened, but for some reason my camera stopped filming completely. I'm not gonna be stupid and try and basically remake my reaction, but let me tell you what, I almost pooped my pants when I saw the size of this turbo. So it came with this little installation guide, came with a nice big box, and it was very hard to get out of the box. So you guys should be glad you didn't have to watch that part, but I went ahead and rebagged it back up just so nothing happens to it, but what the hell was that? Boys, check out the size of this massive dude. Holy tatas. Oh yeah, that is massive, boys. Oh, it smells good. Oh, the packaging smelled like dead fish. You literally missed me gagging. It was pretty funny. This is a Comp 6262 triple ball bearing with an AR ratio of 0.82. So it's a pretty massive boy, but it's not that massive. It's a pretty good size. It's a very nice turbo. It's a pretty expensive turbo, but it's a very, very nice turbo. So thank you so much, Comp. They are an official sponsor for this car. I also got a sticker I'll put on the car whenever I'm done doing the build. But this thing is seriously probably 20 pounds. Like this is heavy to hold. Look at this. It's got like a little like, you can barely see it, but it's got like a little like bullet looking, I don't know, but it looks so tight, dude. It looks so freaking sick. I'm not gonna spin it too much. I don't want to do anything to it, but oh my god, it's just, okay, it actually is so nice. Just holding it again. Oh man, the assembly of this thing is just impeccable. You see that? I got 30 PSI right there. The .82 AR is one of the biggest ratios you see. You're usually gonna see a lot slower spool times with that AR, but I'm countering that with it's not the biggest turbo in the world, but I'm countering that with a triple ball bearing. The triple ball bearing should allow the turbo to spool up a little bit quicker and a little more efficiently, and I'm so excited about it, dude. This thing is so tight. I'm actually tired of holding this. Let me just show you it. This boy is big. It is big. It's got, dude, that turbine inlet right there is just so tight. I got the V-band out right there, which is nice. I had to request that. And dude, it's so sick. This was custom built by Comp Turbo for this specific turbo build that I'm doing. So this is, you can't really get this unless you custom order it. So it is spec'd out just for me, exactly how I want it, and I could not be more excited to install this big boy on the Evo. This is good news. This means 1, Mike, street speed, I'm coming for you, dog, and 2, I'm coming for everybody out there. I'm going to Mexico. It's gonna be lit. Let me just showcase it for you real quick. Oh my damn, that's just humongous. That's a big boy. That is a big boy. All right, back to the normal programming. I'm not sure why my camera decided to be dumb, but let's Let's do some more mods, baby. Now that that's over, I'm so excited about that, but I'm gonna give these a shot. Actually, doing the math, these are 5/16 inch thick. That means that they are 7.5 millimeters. That's probably gonna be a perfect spacer. I might need something less, we'll see, but I'm gonna get these on the car just to see if one, I'm gonna need extended studs, two, if there's any other known issues and if these might just not work, so we'll see. I am very hopeful that this is gonna work. Oh, nice. Let's see, baby. These fit just fine, and they actually work pretty well, but I'm not sure how much I'm gonna like the poke once it's done. I think I'm gonna go ahead and have to get some extended studs, which, why not? Because extended studs are pretty sick. I actually have literally a set of them left over from my STI that will work from this, so I just need to get another set, which is sick. I do have plenty of thread on. I mean, it threaded on for a while, but just to be safe, I am gonna use some Loctite on the threads just to make sure nothing happens on the road. These look perfect. The fitment is so good on them. That's what's up. God, that fitment is sick. Let's hop into this car and let's see. I want to drive it a little bit to see. Oh, I gotta put my stickers on. I want to take this thing for a spin and make sure it doesn't shake or anything on the road. As long as there's no shaking, we're good. All right, so I need to get up to about 60 to see if they shake or anything. And they seem to be doing just fine. Nice, let's go. And for some reason, my check engine light is not on. Nice. Something I love / hate about this car is sometimes it does this massive pop, and I wish I was recording. It actually backfires sometimes, and one day I'm gonna get it on film, and it's gonna be sick. I cannot, for the life of me, get a backfire on camera. Dude, this fitment is so tight and the car drives amazingly. Now I'm gonna wait until my friend Austin comes over. I'm gonna eat some dinner and then we're gonna cruise out to the beaver meet. I've never actually gone out to this meet, but it's supposed to be evidently like pretty huge. I'm gonna wait till Austin gets here and then we're gonna roll out. It's gonna be a fun night. Hi boys, nighttime vlog. Austin's here. Actually, dude, let's show him the turbo. Gotta show Austin the big daddy. Austin, look, Austin. It's a big boy. Isn't it so awesome? You ready to put it on next week?
Wait, this car? Heck yeah.
All right, bye, dude. See you later. See you later, dude. Nothing better than cruising to a meet with your homies. Oh, and there's actually people here. Nice. Oh, baby. Oh, I see some smoke getting blown. It's getting lit out here. Bro, this is pretty legit. Oh, Miata gang. Wait, focus. You are right, it's yellow. You like it? Is it good? Thank you. Bro, you for real just spilled some gummy bears, dog? A waste. Shame on you, Aaron.
My heart.
It's NA, but it's still sick. Dude, you guys won't believe this. When I looked for an NA Supra in college, and you could find them for like 12 to 15 grand. This NA Supra is worth like 30, 35 now. Twin turbos are worth like 60. Reason your boy doesn't own a Supra yet? There you go. Oh, let's go. Give me a rev, baby. Hey, oh, can we talk about this? Can we talk about this fitment, dog? Come here. Oh, flexing on him. Let's go. Rev it. Ah! Oh my God. Two stuff on a Mustang, that's cool. I'm really glad you guys, right sir? I'm really glad you guys enjoyed it. Everybody here tonight said it was good, so, I mean, it's good to hear some feedback aside from YouTube comments sometimes. Because believe it or not, sometimes YouTube comments are just not helpful. But it's awesome to see you guys. I always love hanging out with you. Hopefully next time we can maybe get some Mexico action. Yo boys, that was fun. Let's have some more fun tomorrow. Peace out. Be victorious. Okay, I know I say this every video, but honestly, if you keep watching my channel, it really, really helps. If you continue to watch my videos, it really boosts me, and YouTube really likes that. So if you continue to watch my videos, it'd be amazing if you click one of those two. So make sure you watch one of them two videos.